I'm going to blend that color out. This is called Private Beach, which is like a dark brown. I'm going to apply dark brown. And then I'm going to use this color here is called Legacy. And I'm going to start applying here. Legacy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And I'm just going to add a little bit here, Legacy. Okay, so we have those colors there. Look very natural. And I'm going to use a little bit of shimmer, which is called Millionaire. I'm going to use some of that, and I'm going to apply on top of this to give it a shimmer look. Apply some of that on top, and look at those. Make sure that's blended in, and making sure that the color is blended. So I won't have no dryness while applying that concealer. Trust me, you do not want that. I'm applying concealer. Vaseline. So my skin won't be dry. Welcome, welcome. Hi. Hi, you King. How you doing? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer. And let me see what you guys' comments. Hi, Leah. Thank you for liking my live. And I'm going to apply my Cool Cafe. Just check it out when you get free chance. And tell me what you think about it. I think it can help both of us, but it's always something with the features. So go check it out and tell me what you think. Alright, I'm going to let that dry, and I'm going to go ahead and apply some more eyeshadow on the opposite side of my eye. And I'm going to use a Private Beach color, which is like a dark brown. This is the new eyeshadow palette from Eye Envy. So if you guys don't have it, I would recommend. But the site is USA.com. I'm going to use a little bit of brown here so you guys can see. And then I'm going to use Legacy. And I'm going to be using the color Millionaire again. And I'm going to apply it here. Thank you, Miss Yvonne. I'm going to apply some here. And I'm going to use the 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer Cool Cafe. And I'm going to apply it underneath here to clean up the excess of the eyeshadow. And I'm going to apply some around the lip area. And I'm going to let it dry a little bit so it can soak in. And I'm going to use a light shade of concealer under here. And I'm going to let that sit. I'm just going to go ahead and blend this side out. And as you can see, it blends right in with my skin tone. And I'm just blending it out. And it looks very natural. Make sure I get some up there from the forehead. So you guys see the difference. Don't forget to keep liking, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, Modest Transformation by Celeste. And also follow me on Instagram, Modest Transformation by Celeste, and my personal Instagram, sexyriri_93. Okay, so we have this side. Look very natural. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend this side out. I'm just blending, blending, blending. And you don't need that much of makeup. So the only two the makeup that I used were just concealer. I used the Cool Cafe, that's the 2-in-1 by Absolute New York, and I used Nicka K concealer Carto. This is number 06 and this is 05. And I just blend those two colors together so you can do a lighter tone concealer, and you can do like a concealer that's close to your skin color, so it can look very natural, look flawless. And I'm going to get my setting spray. Let me show you guys that. Setting spray, and I'm going to, this is the coconut mist, and I'm going to spray that. So it gives you a nice flawless look. And the lashes, eyeshadow, the lashes I am wearing is the Press and Go Special Day Spiky. This is by Eye Envy. This is their new lashes, and it's very easy, and that's how it looks in the back. So if you guys are very interested in purchasing Eye Envy, go to USA.com. And also, if you are interested in this eyeshadow palette as well, this is their new line, gold. It says "Give Me Gold." It's 50. And don't forget to give me likes up here. And I'm going to let that dry. Okay, I'm going to put that on. And I'm going to spray directly onto the lace as well, so it can lay really flat. I'm going to use my scarf to tie it down. I was going to go underneath, but I don't even care. Hello everyone, welcome, welcome, welcome.